The logic of Harewe presents a fascinating framework for understanding dimensions. First, let's delve into the idea of change, represented by the axis of up and down. Here, we explore the relationship between letters and their corresponding energies. The letter K, positioned above B, suggests a significant transition from fire to lightning, capturing a sense of upward movement, energy, and transformation. On the opposite side, the O axis displays a change from magnetic forces to gravity, embodied in the elevation of V above L. Each of these pairs encapsulates the essence of change, illustrating the dynamic nature of interactions in the universe. Next, we move to the dimension of opposition, where the axis of front to back plays a pivotal role. An intriguing observation arises when we examine the alignment of letters in this realm. On the y-axis, S stands opposite P, yet instead of embodying true opposition, they reflect one another. The clarity of light represented by P shines through the watery element of S, demonstrating that opposites may sometimes mirror aspects of each other rather than stand in stark contrast. Similarly, on the W-axis, F aligns with Q, where the swift winds of F echo the rapid movements of static electricity that characterize Q, highlighting yet another example of reflection within apparent opposition. Finally, we arrive at the dimension of difference, represented by the axis of right to left. In this segment, J appears to the left of the I-axis while H finds its position to the right. Both J and H are lightweight elements, yet they differ fundamentally. G embodies the qualities of steam or vapor, while H represents the more stable and expansive nature of air. Their movements may seem similar, but they signify different states of existence. At the lower end, the E-axis reveals N opposite D, where N's solid clay structure contrasts with D's powdery dust. Still, both are intrinsically linked as forms of soil, representing how elements can differ while sharing common roots. Through this exploration, I conclude that the logic of Harewe holds merit, scoring a 2.5 out of 3. The dimension of opposition requires revision, indicating that rather than strict opposites, we often encounter reflections showing similarities. This insight transforms our understanding of concepts such as darkness. It challenges us to perceive darkness not as the opposite of light, but rather as an inversion, an alternate manifestation of light itself. Thus, the refined logic of Harewe can be summarized as change, reflection, and difference, offering a profound perspective on the interconnectedness of existence.